1 second, there's somebody at my door. Okay, sorry about that. Amazon was at the door. So let's talk about the next column up, which is Facebook and IG. I will be better about posting on there, I promise you guys. That is my plan for the month of November, is to post at least 1 to 2 posts on a week on there at least. But what is happening this week? So for Black Mountain Plans, we have Throwback Thursday. So this is for Black Mountain Plans. Ugh. This is Throwback. Sorry about that, guys. It's the next day. My camera had officially died during this plan with me. So we're just kind of gonna roll with it. So I was on Facebook and IG, so we're moving up to this week. And on Thursday, as I was saying, I believe I stopped at this, is Black Mountain Plans actually has a Throwback Thursday on the 2nd of November, and then on the 5th of November, she has her faith kits that come out. So we're gonna put those down, and then I am, however, going to lay down some full boxes. So these full boxes I will go ahead and lay down in certain places, but I am going to probably be putting boxes over top of them, just because they are decorative, but I do still want to be able to write, or still be able to have things written on them. So we're gonna do that. Okay. So for that right now, that is like the only thing I'm doing for Black Mountain Plans as of right this second, or for Facebook and IG right this second. As the week progresses, or if I think of something and I want to post a picture on Instagram or on Facebook, then I will. So next we're going to move up to me, and I have okay, so I'm going into my, yeah, okay. So on Monday, I have therapy in the morning. So I am going to go ahead and write that down. And then I need, I'm going to pull out my handy dandy little bag here that holds all of my Tombos. That one might work. It's too orange. Ah, way too orange. I'm just pulling these out because I think I'm gonna use them again. No. Okay. Well, I know I'm going to use them again because I really did like it. So we're gonna use Tombow 947, and then I do have another brownish color here. No, I'm not gonna pull that one in. I might pull this gold one in though. I've been using this gold one a lot, and this is 985. Yeah, so I'm going to use 985 and 947. I am right now, I am just going to highlight this just a little. I might pull in another color actually, but we'll see. So I mark down when I need to do my, or I'm going to mark down what I'm reading that day, because it is a self-care item. I might actually go ahead and put in, like if I diamond paint down on YouTube, just because I can, or I might put it up on IG and Instagram, because I think I want to start posting my progresses on them. Okay, so I am looking for, here we go. Okay, so from Black Mountain Plans, I have this script sticker. Thanks. 7. And it says read. So all I have been doing the last few weeks is I've just been putting them over top of the Tombow, and then in the Tombow, like I'll write with my pen what I'm reading that day. So I do kind of like that. I am going to try to, my goal for 2024 is to do an exercise every day. But I hope to start doing that before that. But if I do, I'm just going to write it down. I'm not going to like struggle with it. And then I need to look. I'm going to do it 1, 2. So it'd be 1, 4. Okay. And then I am, however, going to put down this guy. So 4. I shouldn't have done it here, but 5, 6, 7. So for a week, this is for my face wash. I am going to end up putting it down when I have done it. I did mess up on Monday, which is fine, right? So I did it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, okay. And then it will change the next week. Let's read. I think I need Tuesday. I'm gonna grab 4, I think. Oh, I only needed 3. So dang it. Okay. So this has become my like little holder for things. So all I do is I'm just gonna put it here, and then when it's done, I like to put a check mark next to it. And then, all right. I am, however, going to put down leave for moms. We do leave for my moms on Thursday. And then on Sunday we come home. Morning. And then I am going to do a pretty. So we have ball that we are going to on Saturday. Okay. And then we are going up to Ophelia next because we can. I am only going to put 2 things down right now on her. Actually, no, I'm not. So, I'm going to put these pumpkins right here. She has a Halloween party. 1 to 3 at a friend's house. And then we're going to do another box because we have friends over to trick or treat. And then I will also go ahead. I'm going to put down a flag here for the library because I think even though she has a busy day, like, we are still going to try to hit the library twice this week. So we have that. And then we might try to do some extra fun things. So I think I might grab park script. So we went to the park today, but we will do, I'm going to try to go to the park on Monday and on Wednesday. And then we will go to the library probably on Thursday before we, like in the morning, because my husband has to work in the morning. He has like a half day though, because we leave this day. But, yeah, so we'll probably hit the library then, and then Friday, my grandma and I are gonna go do some things. So she gets to spend time with her great grandma and mommy. We are gonna go do something, and then I'm gonna do a big box here on Saturday because she is going to spend time with her grandma. Sleep over at grandma's. This is her first sleepover without mom and dad. So that is very exciting for her. Like it says, it is her first sleepover without mommy and daddy. I'm just gonna do that. And then, since we're not gonna be home these days, I am, however, going to put down these. Yeah. And then, okay. So, on Mondays, it is actually, every Monday is trash day. So, I'm going to mark it because sometimes we forget and I don't want to forget. Because we definitely need that. And And then I'm going to we will do a, oh yes, actually, I need to remember to do this. So on Monday for Ophelia, she does not like her nails cut at all, so I'm gonna put it in my planner because it needs to be done. I try to do it every other week, so then she's not freaking out on me when I do it. And then I just need 4 for the week. And then all I have left, I am going to grab this actually. Okay, so I have this Artist Loft dot sticker. I don't know what it is called. I do have some clean dot, the Zig clean dot stickers, but they are not right next to me. This one was. So all I'm gonna do is put these down because it makes me happy. And then I'm using a bunch of my stickers, but I'm also using my markers. And then we're gonna do it here, like so. So, like I said so a lot. This is literally like how my plan with me looks. I still have a bunch of functional stuff. I mean, not a ton of functional, but I have enough to where I can write more things down if I need to. Actually, I am going to put something on Thursday before we head off. I want to, we're going to do this glitter box here. I am going to change bed sheets here because we do it once a week. We normally do it on Saturday, but we're not going to be here on Saturday, so I do it on Thursday. Then for next week, it's done and it's good to go. And you know what? I'm going to throw a thing over here. We are going to put, forgot about that. So we will probably, or actually not even a probably, when we get home on Friday, we're gonna, or Sunday, we'll do laundry. So like I said, I do have some functionals left, which I'm really grateful for. And then this is literally how my week will be for next week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe bell and then hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups. And leave me a comment down below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.